Today I'm going to be doing a Blizzard showcase. I'm going to be showcasing all the abilities, and please help me reach 10k subscribers. It's my dream to hit 10k subscribers, so let's go. First off, what we have is Snowflake Shurikane. It's the Z move. I got it for 1 mastery, so let's try. To be honest, it's not that bad. I don't really like the animation. Okay, now the second ability that we had 90 mastery. X move, whiteout. I kind of like it because like the way, the animation, like the way the wind goes, like watch it again, like yeah, like how I hold it, it's like okay. Next move I have is
Howling Wind.
160 mastery. Let's go. Okay, Howling Wind doesn't really look that good, but let's try it. It's like Blizzard Domain. It's like Blizzard Domain, but better. Okay. Now, next up we have
Tornado Flight.
We have Tornado Flight now. Okay, it's not that bad, but yeah. The final move that we have, 250 mastery,
Blizzard Domain.
the V move. Let's try it now.
3, 2, 1.
So sick, but I really like how it's holding. I really like it because like the way you have your own domain and the vibes. Alright, bye guys.
NGL Portals Domain's better.